Hey everyone, welcome to our quick guide on how to create a Doordash group order in 2025. If you're planning a get-together with friends or family and want to make ordering food a breeze, this feature is a game changer. It's perfect for splitting costs and customizing everyone's meals without the confusion. Let's dive right in and get you set up in no time. First, ensure you have the latest Doordash app installed on your phone. Open it up and log in to your account. Once you're in, tap on the Start Order button to begin. Next, look for the Group Order option. It's usually prominent on the main screen or in the menu. Select it, and you'll be asked to create a new group order. Give it a fun name, like Game Night Grub, to keep things exciting. Doordash will then generate a unique link for your group order. Copy this link and share it with your friends via text, email, or any social app. They don't even need a Doordash account to join in. Now, your friends can open the link on their devices, browse the menu, and add their favorite items directly to the order. They'll see what others are adding in real time, making it interactive and fun. Once everyone has chimed in, head back to your app to review the full order. Double-check that all items are correct and that nothing's been missed. Finally, proceed to checkout. You can choose to pay for everything yourself or set it up for splitting payments. Confirm your details, place the order, and you're all set. Your delicious food will be on its way. There you have it. That's how easy it is to create a Doordash group order in 2025. This feature saves time and reduces mix-ups, especially for larger groups. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy ordering.